चल बाबा अपने सिम्स के लिए थोड़ा एक ओनली फैंस तो कर। ओनली सिम्स तो कर। तेरे को पता नहीं कितने लोग ये 30 सेकंड को So on the way to the airport for this uncensored tour beginning today. We're on our way to Bangalore and the day couldn't have started any worse. First up, my driver just bailed, refused to answer my calls or show up, getting us late. Then it took at least 45 minutes to book an Uber.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
I have to stop everything and show people that we are on the favorite.
We're on the favorite Gokhale Bridge. That is Gokhale Bridge. That's the aesthetic of BMC. It's the unfinished finished look, where any infrastructural project which is finished looks unfinished, but it's finished.
This is the bridge equivalent of bed hair.
Yeah, so everything that could go wrong has gone wrong, but we still managed to make it. The best part is the airline.
Oh yeah.
After me checking in, has not sent the boarding pass only. Uber has not shown up only. My driver has not shown. It's a miracle that we are actually reaching. Late OP. Line. More line. Just lines. क्या कौन मिस कर रहा है क्या हीरा को?
By the time I finish this line, she will be 3 years old.
Because I don't know what else to do on a flight. और मेरे पे न्यूज़पेपर नहीं तो मैं नेटफ्लिक्स पे कुछ डाउनलोड करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
ठाकुर जल्दी कर। I can't believe you waited this long.
Dude, I never do. I always remember to download something.
क्या सोच रहे हैं? क्या डाउनलोड करना है?
मैं सब तो देख लिया, एक तो प्रॉब्लम हुआ मैंने सब देख लिया लाइफ में। Guys, if you're watching this vlog, tell me what I should have downloaded. Mad Max Fury Road.
हाँ कर। It's nothing like watching Mad Max at 10 in the morning.
Guess who's on our flight? What's up, guys? Hi. Y'all are coming to the show tonight? Yeah. Y'all are flying from Bombay for the show?
Yes. They actually flew in from Germany. They flew in from Germany just for the show.
Awesome. Thank you, guys. Alright, by just looking at the cab's Google map, can you tell us which city we are in? Surprise! We are in Bangalore, finally managed. We are actually not in Bangalore yet. You took the flight to Bangalore, but you're still not in Bangalore.
We are, we were in the outskirts and now...
You are in skirt? Kautuk, it's a family vlog. It's a family vlog. It's not a vlog on YouPorn. It's on YouTube.
There's a reason nobody calls the inside of a city the inskirts.
Oh, you wait till you reach Noida, bro.
Thakur, we are touring after a very long time together. I think
after 2014 Gandhi nights.
But Thakur, I have to ask you, when you tour, and so there are all these, like, here's the thing about touring, right? You get up from your bed, then you sit in a car, then you stand at the airport, then you sit on a plane, then you sit in a car, then you sit in a hotel, then you stand on stage and then you sleep in the hotel, right? So
yeah,
this whole process, you are a very impatient person. How do you deal with all this waiting, sitting, sleeping? क्या करता है तू generally?
कुछ नहीं, चलते रहता हूँ bro. जैसे एयरपोर्ट भी तूने देखा, फ्लाइट्स उतरने के बाद I need to get away fast. I hate people who just sort of drag their feet. Like, fucking walk fast. Just walk fast.
But
walk fast.
Where are you
Drive
going fast to?
Fast.
Here's what happened.
Fast.
Here's what happened. Okay, so Thakur has power walked from the airplane, walked across Bangalore airport, reached his goddamn baggage belt, and then his bag has not come at all.
Last bag to come. It's almost like everybody's bag will come first except fucking Baba. And Baba's calling.
Wonderful.
Hello.
Take a look at the menu and tell me what to do.
Oh,
क्या?
Not this again.
Look at the menu and tell what.
बाबा, तूने आज तक कभी भी फोन करके बोला है क्या अपन शो कैसे एंड कर रहे हैं, शो कैसे बिगिन कर रहे हैं? तू हमेशा फोन करके मेन्यू देख, खाना देख, ये देख, वो देख. तू खाने आया बैंगलोर? खाने के लिए आया?
Of course.
And since my team is officially out of the IPL, I have decided that from now on till the end, I'm going to be supporting RCB or SRH. But now because we're in Bangalore, celebrating and supporting RCB right outside Chinnaswamy. Ee saale cup namde.
अरे मस्त है, क्लाउड्स देख, वाइब देख.
ऐसा वाले लो ना. Who wears new sambas?
But then why can't you wear socks?
There is socks inside it.
It's called invisible socks. You pay more for invisible socks.
Yeah, even I have, but I wear them till here so that they.
So then it's not invisible.
I don't buy it.
We're doing this in the hotel lobby in front of everybody. It's embarrassing.
We are now checking into the hotel and fucking run for it because he thinks that he's going to go jump on the bed and make one side his news flash, Baba. That ain't happening.
No, I don't want it. I'm getting the extra bed.
We have it. Oh, we have it on video. Baba said he doesn't want to sleep on the main bed.
Yeah.
Pa 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 ta tang ta tang tang ta 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 tang ta tang tang ta na na.
Wow.
क्या तूने हॉल बुक किया है क्या सिर्फ लिविंग रूम?
This is the
Hey,
problem.
we want one living room.
The
तू इधर सो फिर.
You guys have never lived beyond your fucking sex
What do
hotels,
you
no?
mean?
This is
That's
the
true.
problem. This is your
Oh, sex यहाँ होगा.
Must.
massage chair.
Oh, this is where you're sleeping, Baba. Very nice. It's comfy, yeah?
Okay. Mr. Thakur, there's a balcony.
Oh yeah, कपड़े सुखाएंगे उधर.
मैं तो चड्डी डाल रहा हूँ भाई.
वाह वाह, अरे वाह, इसने पिजन जाली दिया है. I love ITC पिजन जाली.
Come to Sandas, please. Ours, not Bajwala. That is.
Guys, this Sandas is a 2 BHK. What the f?
This is Sandas.
That is not sandas. This is bathtub.
I said
उधर मत
bathtub,
हगना.
Sandas.
उधर मत हगना. That is not and this is not bathtub. And that is not a bedroom.
मैं तो उधर ही सो रहा हूँ.
क्या कैसा लग रहा है भाई तुम लोग को बालकनी में बैठ के बाहर विदाउट स्वेटिंग?
Oh, it's wonderful. It's so nice. There's no pigeons, nothing.
तो थोड़ी देर में उधर विराट
बेंगलुरु और वहां पर होने वाला है इस साले कप नमदे. वाओ, I must admit बाबा, for everything that you don't bring to the table, you bring really good food to the table. बाबा बूढ़े
9 मिनट बाकी है.
हाँ 9 मिनट बाकी मतलब एयरपोर्ट पे है क्या तू?
क्यों इधर लिखा है 9 मिनट?
अच्छा, क्या तेरा क्या पार्ट मसाज हो रहा है क्योंकि तेरी शक्ल कुछ अलग ही दिख रही है.
कुछ मसाज हो रहा है.
सब कुछ
कुर्सी है.
कुर्सी नहीं, वो मसाज चेयर है ना. और ये दूसरा कौतुक उठ, साले शो पे जाना है. उठ ये लब लेट हो गया है. शो है आधे घंटे में. उठ.
देखो ये प्रिंटर का साउंड आएगा.
हाँ चल बाबा, अपने सिम्स के लिए थोड़ा एक ओनली फैंस तो कर. ओनली सिम्स तो कर. तेरे को पता नहीं कितने लोग ये 30 सेकंड को
नोटी हो रहा.
बाबा तुझे कैसा लगा? तूने बोला था जब कि तू हमारे ब्लॉग में नहीं होने वाला. अभी तेरे को बना दिया ना डीओपी. एडिट भी तू ही करेगा.
एडिट तो नहीं कर पाऊंगा.
तू करे. बाय द वे, तेरे को लगता नहीं है बाबा अपने बाप जैसा है?
क्यों?
बाय द वे, आई टेल यू व्हाट हैज हैपेंड. क्यों क्या? सबसे पहले बाबा ने फ्लाइट टिकट बुक किया है, होटल बुक किया है. बाबा एक दिन पहले आया है. सुबह को ही इज कॉलिंग अस एंड टेलिंग अस, हे प्लीज चेक इन, व्हिच आई चेक्ड इन. वी डिडंट गेट द टिकट, सो बाबा चेक्ड इन फॉर अस. Then he sent a voice note saying, guys, reminder, it's not T1 where you would expect it to be, it's at T2. We had not checked. Then we came here. He has booked the cab. Then he has gotten the food. He has checked us into the hotel also.
The only thing missing is us saying, War Rukwadi the Papa!
Or Kwadi Papa.
It's showtime!
ये अभी बहुत जल्दी भरने वाला है. Alright guys, शो का टाइम हो रहा है. You have to just kill it. याद रखना 70 मिनट है तुम्हारे पास.
So you guys are now officially part of the vlog. And guess who?
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Boys, well done. Congratulations on 2 amazing shows in Bengaluru. Now watching RCB kill it and Dubey is out. और RCB जीत गया. इस साल कप हमने मेरी न्यू टीम आज ये सीजन के लिए. But for this season, RCB.
We saw this epic comeback
in Bengaluru.
In Bengaluru.
Comeback? They
Comeback.
were always winning, bro. They were always winning, bro.
Successful comedians after 2 sold out shows and standing ovation going back to the hotel in their luxury vehicle. इस साल कप नंदे.
ये बैंगलोर जीता और हम लोग आ रहे हैं.
क्या?
बैंगलोर जीता और हम लोग आ रहे हैं.
क्यों आ रहे हैं?
हम लोग रिक्शा में जा रहे हैं वापस.
इस साल कप नंदे.
अरे वो नहीं है कर्नाटका का, केरला का ट्रक है वो.
इस साल कप नंदे. क्यों? जीत गए. Congrats. RCB जीत गया. सर आज चेकिंग नहीं, आज RCB जीत गया. नो चेकिंग. नो चेकिंग. सर मैं मुंबई का इसलिए चेक कर रहा हूँ. हम लोग तो हार गए सर. Congrats. इस साल कप नमने. इस साल कप नमने. Baba, after doing this show, is going to sleep here in the living room that he booked.
He's not going to sleep here because he's going to sleep in the massage chair.
Yeah.
That's his plan.
I have a feeling he's going to just sort of sneak in and sleep in the middle of us.
That's very possible.
For the warmth.
No, don't even. That was a joke, Baba.
That is very possible.
You dare not come and sleep in the middle of. You can hug Kautuk and sleep.
A few moments later. The next morning.
लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा. चले उठ. आलसी उठ. पुणे जाने का चल. ये क्या है? 2 मिनट. ये लौड़े का 2 मिनट ब्रो. यू स्लेप्ट वे टू मच. अभी गुदगुदी करेगा. मेरा तो आया नहीं अभी तक.
क्या हो गया बाबा देखो?
Bro, I asked for a French omelette. What? He's brought a masala omelette, bro. And it's so evidently. How can you say write French omelette and then look at the egg and it's not yellow? It's fucking red and green and God knows.
Perfectly good Bengaluru omelette.
Bro, please, yeah. Look at this guy, yeah. He's put a. It's an omelette dipped in sambar, yeah. Delicious. Look at your own face. Give me this. See your own face. What is wrong with you?
It tastes amazing.
That's disgusting.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है. अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ.
So boys, after 2 successful Bangalore shows, कैसे लग रहा है Kautuk?
Oh my.
कैसे
Very,
लग रहा है?
very good.
Very good. Bangalore just showing how it's done.
Unbelievable.
Insane. But one person is not happy.
Yeah, my
And that's
body's
got
hurting.
nothing to do with anything else.
My body's hurting.
I was thinking about was that we've done we did 5 shows of this in Mumbai. Bangalore was the first time we took this Uncensored out of Mumbai.
Out of Mumbai.
And it performed really well.
Yeah.
We got a standing ovation in the second
Yeah.
show.
Either we got a standing ovation or the seats were uncomfortable. One of the two. So it was great. We'll take it. Thank you. I hope all seats are uncomfortable everywhere else. We are about to board a flight to Pune, and guess what? We almost missed it because flight is 11:45, and at 11:15 we are having coffee. So
we would have missed.
we would have missed the flight, which means we would have missed the Pune show
for a flat white.
for a flat white. एक कॉफी लेने के लिए. लेकिन vlog नहीं छोड़े हम. इतने रश में फिर भी vlog तो करेंगे.